Go more over there. So they could come over there. Go over there. No. They can't eat off the water, Gio. Over here. On the floor right here, so they can eat off of here. In the middle. Go in the middle so they can eat. Go in the middle so they can eat right there. Put it right there. Put it right there. Put a pile right here so they can eat. Put, yeah. Here they come.
Whoa! They just
They're gonna take the whole bag.
They just left me.
Yeah. Do another pile like that over there.
Okay.
So they can eat. Okay? Yeah. No, right here. Right there. Just do it right here. Yeah. Right here. Oh, no. There's Dookie right there. Right here. Right here, Dom. Right there. Not all of it. Don't put it all. Yeah. Let's do another one over here. Hey. No fighting. They're fighting. And then another pile right there.
Oh, there's one.
Right there. Look, he's gonna eat off of my hand, look.
He's gonna eat the whole.
They're fighting. Look. Look. Hi, mamas. Oh, papas. Whatever you want to call yourself. Let's see here.
Whoa.
They do bite. Here.
I'm gonna pile it all up. I'm gonna pile it. Not all of them.
Oh.
Not all of them. Mommy, there's none left?
There's none left. That's it. That's the meat. There's no more. Get up. Get up. Get up.
I got hurt.
If you leave a pile one and one big one is going to get off.
Gio. Put your shoe back on, Bubba's.
I'm on more, right?
Yeah.
We don't have 100, right? So, yeah.
I tried to spread it out so at least some other ones could get some.
Yeah.
See, the big one's going to take it off.
They're gonna take it all. Greedy asses.